Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the chapter Resemblance of LR1. So, resemblance means similarity. This similarity is due to genetic influences. We genetically tend to inherit the physical characteristics of our parents. Shape of our nose, color of our eyes, our complexion, this we inherit from our parents. We often imbibe the habits of our parents. Doctors, lawyers continue their professions from one generation to another. Not only our parents, but also from our grandparents, other relatives, we inherit our traits and habits. We constantly keep acquiring new skills and learn new things from parents, relatives, from our grandparents also. Now we come to a very important concept of twins. When two babies are born at the same birth from the same mother, they are called twins. Twins are of two types: identical and fraternal twins. So, what is identical twins? There is only one fertilized egg which splits into two. Identical twins share all their genes and are always of same gender. Fraternal twins, on the other hand, are two separately fertilized eggs that have different genetic makeup. They may be of the same or opposite gender. Now we come to the different physical similarities and dissimilarities between two individuals, which are classified into certain factors, certain important factors. They are the height, the weight, the body type, structure, size, the hairstyle of a person, eyes, nose, and also the most important one, the role of environment. Environment plays a pivotal role in how we grow up or who we become in our lives. Even as adults, our behavior may change drastically as an effect of the environment. So, environment plays a very crucial role in making up the behavior of a particular person. So, here this slide shows the identical twins. They are of the same gender. The slide here shows the fraternal twins. They may be of the same gender or they may not be of the same gender. Now let us come to the LR questions. Question number 1, page number 13-14. Will two brothers who have been raised in different environment have the same behavior? Give reasons. Answer. Their behavior will be different as environment plays a big role in shaping the behavior of people. How can hair be used as a trait to differentiate between people? Yes, hair can be used as a trait to differentiate between people. The texture and color of hair varies between different people. Now let us come to the one level up questions of your LR1. What is meant by the term fraternal twins? Twins that derive from separately fertilized eggs and that have different genetic makeup, they may be of the same or opposite gender. We inherit all our characteristics from our parents. There are times when we also develop diseases from birth. These are called genetically inherited diseases. Find out 2 diseases which are genetically inherited. Write 2 or 3 sentences about each. This is a question from your LR1, Chapter 1. First one we will be discussing as albinism. It is a disorder from birth in humans where there is complete or partial absence of pigment in the skin, hair and eyes. Lack of skin pigmentation leads to skin cancers. Second one disorder from birth is sickle cell anemia. In sickle cell anemia, the RBCs become rigid and sticky and are shaped like sickles or crescent moons. There aren't enough healthy RBC to carry adequate oxygen throughout our body. Next question of your LR1 Chapter 1 is the Kodini village in Kerala, India is known as the twin village. A. Find out why it is called so. Kodini, popularly known as the Twin Town, is a small village in the district of Malappuram, Kerala, has the highest birth rates of twins in the world. It is estimated there are at least 400 pairs of twins in the village of 2000 families population. Number B. Is there any other place in the world other than Kodini which also shows similar features? In United States, the highest rate of twin births are in states of New Jersey, Massachusetts. Sumit and Sunaina are siblings. At school, they are always compared for the marks they score. But at home, their mother always tells them, quote, each one of us is unique and special in our own way, unquote. So even if you are compared because you are siblings, it does not matter, final unquote. So what value is their mother showing? Every child has their own strength, uniqueness and originalities. Open-mindedness is the value which is shown in this particular question. So students, we have discussed about the chapter. We have discussed the LR questions of the Chapter 1 resemblance. Hope you have understood the Chapter 1 and hope you will learn the question answers of LR well. Thank you.